You made an offer on a home that you really like, but you saw a couple things on your walkthrough that made you a little bit nervous. What do you do? Well, I'm going to give you 4 inspections that you absolutely must do, and they're going to ease your mind. At the end of these inspections, you're going to know whether you want this home or not. On page 9 of your contract, you have what you call buyer investigations. This is where the buyer has a chance to do all his inspections. It's usually up to 17 days, and you can hire as many inspectors as you like to go through the house and decide if this is the home you want. The first inspection I'm going to order for you is a pest inspection. This is where the inspector is going to come in. He's going to look for things like termites, bugs, rodents, but he's also going to walk through the inside of your house and the outside of your house and look for things like wet rot, dry rot, and fungus. He's going to write these up on a report, section 1 or section 2. Section 1 items usually have to do with health and safety, and they're things that have to be taken care of right away. If he deems it a section 2 item that he found, that's something that's not quite as important, doesn't have to be taken care of right away, but it could be an issue down the line. The next inspection is the whole house inspection. This is where the inspector is going to come through and he's going to check everything in your house. He's going to check the electrical plugs and make sure you have electricity at all the plugs. He's going to look under your sink. He's going to look for leaks. He's going to probably open and close all your windows, make sure they open and close easily. He's going to look at your screens, make sure you don't have any holes in your screens. This usually takes over an hour, but it's a good, thorough inspection of the home, and it's something that you want to do. The third inspection we're going to do is the roof inspection. Now, most sellers don't know how old their roof is. They're going to say, well, I moved here 10 years ago, and I didn't know how it was when I moved in, but the roof has never leaked. Well, this might be the winter that the roof leaks. So you want to do a roof inspection. A roofer can go up there, look at your roof. He can tell you about how old it is and how much life is left in that roof. Now, a roof replacement can be very expensive. So you want to do a roof inspection. This is something that you have to do. The fourth inspection you're going to want to do is a sewer inspection. Now, I didn't do a sewer inspection with one of my clients a couple of years ago, and after they moved in, there were some issues with the sewer, and it became very costly for the repairs. And if you want to take a look at that video, I got it down below, and it'll explain to you what happened. But a sewer inspector is going to come out, run a camera through your sewer line all the way to the street. And he's going to be able to tell you if you have any obstructions with your sewer, maybe you have any roots in there or anything that's going to cause a problem. And again, a sewer repair can be very costly. So when you make your home inspections, make sure you do a sewer inspection. Drop a comment or reach out to me if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe for more real estate tips.